Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on revision exercises, part 3. This video presents some revision exercises to help consolidate the lessons we have presented on fractions. So I will leave this video running, but you can pause it at any time you want for as long as you want to give you a chance to answer each of these questions. And my advice is just answer the questions on a sheet of paper, and I will give you the answers at the end so you can check how you went. So I'll leave this on for another, say, 15 seconds before I move to the next slide. You can pause any slide for as long as you want before you resume the video. And here we have the second slide. Pause it for as long as you want to give you a chance to answer the questions. I'll leave it on for a short while before I go on to the last slide. And here is the last slide. And very shortly, we'll go on to the answers to help you check how you went. Answers begin on the next slide. So here's the first slide with the answers. Pause it for as long as you want to check how you went. I'll move on to the next slide shortly. Here's the next slide with the answers. I'll leave it on for a short while. And this is the last slide with the answers, and I'll leave it on for a short while.